guys, welcome back to Nappy Missy101. And yes, I am here with another video. And you know what? I've had these faux locs in for 1 month. 1 month, guys. I am so proud of myself. And I just want to share with you how I've upkept them and what they actually look like now that it's been a month. Just stay tuned. This is my 1 month update of my faux locs. So yeah, I've been rocking this bun for maybe 5 days now. So I'm just gonna take it out so that you guys can see the condition of my faux locs. And what I've been doing with my roots is basically I just spray them with water and oil them with my hair growth oil, and then I slither some of the hair oil on my locks. So this is what they look like, guys. Oh goodness, 1 month. This is them. They're a bit loose. Look at this. But they still look pretty good. This one's really loose in the back. Can you see? Let me show you. So it's loose. It's very loose down to her. But when I put it up, what I do is I twist it like this. And then I put it up like that. So then people even think that it's my own hair. So even with this one, I like that it's getting messy, guys. It feels really good. It's not heavy or anything. I just love them. I think when I take this out, I'm gonna do it again with different colors. But this one is loose, and when I put it up, what I would do is just twist it. Twist it like such, and then you just put it up like that. But what I also did, because one was very, very loose in the front, I think it was this one. This one was loose. It was way down to her. What I did was I took some hair. I took some, Molly hair, and I just wrapped it around from the root and blended it in. So you can't even notice. Should I show you how to do that? Let me show you guys how to do that. Hold on 1 minute. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So all you do is get a piece of your Molly hair, like such. I'll do the back one. I'll show you the back. Or should I show? Oh, I'll show you this one. Yeah, I'll show you this one. So I'm just gonna cut a piece of my Molly hair off, like such. See, so I have a piece like this. I haven't seen no videos to do this, but I'm sure people have thought of doing it like this as well. I mean, for me, it's just common sense. Like, I just use my imagination, like I say. It's not really common sense, I shouldn't say that, but for me, that's what I just thought to do, because I wasn't about to take out a whole lock. Okay, so which one I said I was gonna do? Yeah, this one. So you see that it's really, really loose. I'm gonna keep some of this curl out though, because I'm actually gonna pull, yeah, because it looks really cute, guys, like when you got somebody hair out there. So anyway, what I'm gonna do is fill this there and just start wrapping. I just want it a little tight. I don't need it to be or look perfect, really. I just want it to be just a little more tighter than it already is. See? And that's that. Like, why not? I don't mind it. And that is exactly how I tightened it up. It's like that easy, super easy. I could do this one as well. So this is my 1 month update, guys. I think I want to keep them in for another, I don't even know, but I think they look pretty good. I could probably redo that one, and I could probably redo my back one. I like a little hair out like that, see? Looks cute. Let me do the other side. Pull some hair out on the other side. I do this to the end so it makes it easier for it to blend in with the lock, and so that it can wrap neatly and tightly, because it just works better when it's jagged, when the edge is jagged. Here we go. We're gonna do this again. Put it at the root and you just twist. Be mindful of your baby hairs. You want mine keep getting caught. And you just twist. See, and that's that. You keep wrapping that little bit right around. See, it's even getting messy, and I don't mind because my whole hair looks messy, and that's the look I like. See that? No need to take it out and redo it and none of that. None of that there. I'm thinking if I should fix my front ones as well. I mean, it won't hurt, would it? Also, yes, it's been a month. Look. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna fix that. I'm just basically gonna do exactly what I did for the other two things. So I'm gonna take out my earrings. Yeah. So yeah, watch and learn. Okay, so guys, you see I've started. It's got nice and tight. This is where I need to rejoin it. So I'm just gonna keep going down. Take a little piece of hair, a really tiny piece of hair like this, half it, and I'm just making this tight because I have rejoined it now, but I'm just going to make this tight and a bit messy. And that's that. That actually looks fine. I don't think I really need, or should I do, yes, I should probably do that. Yeah, let me do that, but I'm not gonna use a whole piece of hair because I'm just tightening the root. I'm just gonna half it. It's a bit tighter. I don't even think I'm gonna loosen this one. I mean, I don't even think I'm gonna tighten. I did that one, but I don't think I'm gonna tighten this. It's fine. It don't need to be perfect. I actually like the dreads how they are as they get older. So that's the hair I wanted out. You guys, my hair is so growing. Oh my goodness. And then that's the other one. I'm just going to do a few of my back ones so when I put it up it looks alright. So yeah, you can watch if you like. quick video. I just wanted to give you guys an update on what my faux locks look like after 1 month and what you can do to tighten them instead of taking out the whole faux lock, because who really has time for that? I mean, having natural hair is already hard. Having anything added to your natural hair is already hard for upkeep. So who has time to be taking out a whole lock? So that's how I do mine. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. They're tightened up, and you know what, that's perfect for me. I think I'm gonna try to go 1 more month, if not 1 more month, at least 2 more weeks or so, because it's very easy. Anybody that has natural hair knows how difficult the upkeep is, and having these is really light, really easy, and I'm really enjoying them. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, and share. See you soon, guys. Bye.